Do you ever have those days where you want to keep it really simple? You're either in a rush, you don't have a lot of time, or maybe you just don't even want to wear a lot of makeup. You want to correct the things that are bothering you, add some mascara, some lip and cheek, and get out the door. Or maybe even a little bronzer, because I know a lot of people like bronzer. I love a minimal, natural makeup that I can do really quickly and get out the door 5 minutes and under. So let's get this going, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now I've got everything in my brush holder like this. I have everything I need in here except for one thing, which is my eyelash curler, because it just doesn't fit. Because it's a little awkward size, right? So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you exactly everything that's in here. So I've got my little palette. It is a size 12. I've got my cream foundation on this layer, everything I'm going to use. And then these are my extras. And I'm not going to go into the extras today because this is going to be a natural, minimal makeup on the go. So let's put my hair back a little bit because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. And I think I'm going to just use one brush. I am going to use the blend brush. It's got a really soft, fluffy end. Hope you can see that. Maybe if I show you like this, see how it's tapered and it's really soft and fluffy. And on the other end, this is what's so great. You can just flip it over, is a denser, thicker end, and that's good for application. But we want to do a really light application and really quick. The most important thing we want to do is go in really lightly. And since we're going to use this brush today, I'm just going to tap in lightly. I'm going to go in lightly to my lightest color and add it like in light sweeping motions. And I'm not going to go deep under my eyes. I'm just going to go right here on the outside to bring in some lightness. I'm going to dab into the two colors. Just do a little bit on my eyes because this is going to minimize any redness. And as you can see, light sweeping motions. And we're going to do this side. You know what? Maybe I'll just do one side so you can see the difference. So I'm not going to do this side. And then this is just going to lightly color any redness that I have. And I need to look in the mirror and right in here and a little bit on my chin. And if you want to do more makeup in here, I could go into my third color and lightly dust in here. Just give it a little hair, a little light. And as if you can see, I'm not layering the colors on my skin. Now I'm going to do a little bit over here because we're going to do this half of the face. And I don't even think I have bronzer in this palette. No, I don't. Just a little bit like this. And then on this side of my nose, like this, and that's it. And as you can see, it's a really light application. You can see the difference between this side and this side. This is more covered and my skin is even and it looks a little bit better than this side. Now I'm going to go into the contour. Now you can use a different brush for the contour. This is just going to go in and create a nice shadow like this and then brush it up. And if you need more, you can always add more. And I find that I have this little, see how that minimizes? I have a little bit of a sunspot, so I can go in between my sunspot and use my sunspot as a shadow. So you can sort of see the difference between there and there. And then you can go in, and I like to do a little bit up here on my forehead because I've got a wide, deep forehead like that. And again, you can see the difference, and you can do neck like this. And this brush is really soft and really nice. Oh, we're going to do part of our side here and like that. And then there is that. And then I'm going to go in with this really pretty, it's Frenchie. I'm going to go in, it's new, so let's hope it picks up that. And you're going to just add this where you would put your blush. Like that. Now you can pick a different blush if you want a different one, and then that gives you a really pretty blush. You can add a little more like that. And the cool thing about these colors are you can use them for different things. For instance, you can use this lip and cheek on your lips. It's a little light, so, and I went in kind of heavy. Hold on, I need to get it off. Oh, I've got it on both sides, hold on. Add a little peach to your eyelid. And then you can take your contour as well, and add that, which is a nice little mix. And it's not about rushing, it's just, and then you have your illuminator that you can add right here. So it makes it really easy. And I like to put a little bit of my illuminator on here. And so you can see how easy and quick it is, and I've only done one side of my face. If we put some mascara on, you can see the difference. I'm not used to doing one side of my face. It's kind of funny. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's pouring where I am. And then the other thing that you can do, which is really cool, is you can take your line brush and you can go into your contour and fill in your eyebrows. So once you get your eyebrow going where you want it, you can just lightly tap in with the other end, and then just make sure you're not over doing too much. Just fill in your brow like this, and like this. So that'll give you more of a, let's see how that gave my brows some more definition. And then you can go in with a little bit more of your illuminator like this. And then I like to do the illuminator over the gloss, especially over the lip. I like to go over the lipstick or the lip and cheek if it's a color that is a little too soft or a little too dark. So that is one side done, and this is the side I didn't do. So you can totally see the difference, right? This is more of an even complexion, and this one is not. And you can see the redness and the marks. That is one of the ways you can do a very easy, quick makeup using one brush and just a few colors in your palette. So yeah, so that's it. So now I've got one side of my face done and the other I have to redo, I have to do right now. Thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to show you how easy and quick it is to do one palette makeup and how the colors do more than one thing. You don't have to wear everything that's in your palette. You can pick and choose. You can have days where you're wearing more makeup and days you're wearing less makeup. It's just a very versatile, very convenient makeup. Besides, it works so well on mature skin. It is so light and airy. We're in like 90-degree weather here in Florida. It's actually raining right now and humid. And I can go outside, be outside all day long, and I'm very comfortable. I don't feel like I'm heavy. I don't feel like it's like claustrophobic or anything on my skin. It's very light, it breathes, and I feel like it gives me a really pretty glow, and it stays on all day whenever I'm doing it. So I'm gonna finish up with my makeup here, and so I can have the other side of my face done. But if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow this channel, and then when new videos come up, you'll get notified. And if you would like your own one palette makeup, I will link the color match form below. So please take a minute and check it out. And I look forward to seeing you and hopefully doing your color match in the future. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.